Hello everyone. Now again I am going to show you one of the function overloading program, but by using the return values. Okay, with return and with parameter. See over here, write a program Kelsey with the following method. The same question I'm taking as the previous video. Calculator, but what is the difference to accept two numbers and return the division? In the last question we have mentioned to display, to print the division. Okay, and here again, accept a number to return its square, accept a number to return its square root, means in the function definition we have to use the return type instead of void. The same program, public class Kelsey return, at the place of the void, here I'm writing public int calculator, because at the place of the void, why I have written this, because this is the method is going to return the value. Now if I am doing the calculation of the two integer variables, so obviously it's going to return the int data type. See over here in the question they didn't write any return type over here. So by reading the question you have to understand it, and accordingly you will use the return type over here. If a is greater than b, so it's going to return the division. Otherwise this method is going to return the modulus, means a remainder. Okay, in the both the cases it will give you the integer. Then again, public int calculator, just void, at the place of the void we will use the int. If number is odd number, then it's going to return you the square of the number, otherwise it's going to return the cube of the number. Then in this, if one variable of the double we are accepting, then if it is given number is even, then this is the condition to check the even, then it's going to be returned you square root. Okay, and otherwise it's going to return you cube root of the method. So here at the last line of the method we are using as the return. Okay, return is the jumping statement used to return the value from the method, used to return the value of the function. Here in each and every function only one return statement can be executed. Again mark it, important question. This is a very important question, that how many return statement you can have in a function. Only one statement we can have. Now you will say that here you have written means two written statements. No, at the time this only one is written statement is going to be executed. If the given condition is true, then this written statement is going to be executed. Your execution will not go to this else part. If the given condition will be false, then your execution will not execute this written part. It directly it will go to the else written part. Okay, so one time, at a time only one written statement is going to be executed. Okay, now the calling of the method. See what is the difference without return and with return. In the without return, always here the return type will be mentioned as the void keyword, because your method is not going to return. But in the return type of the method returning the value, then here you have to mention the return type of the value, means the at the place of the void you will write any data type which is going to be returned by that particular method, and the statement, last statement of your function will be written, and you will return the result whatever your method is going to be calculated. Then after this calling of this type of the method, keep remember, if you have defined the method as the void, okay, without return, then here obj dot calculator, like that you have to call the method. But if our method is going to return some value, so we require another container to hold that value. So you can declare the extra variable of that particular data type, or directly in system dot out dot println you can call that method. Here I have called the first method, it is the second method, and it is the third method. See, you can see the parameter. In the first method I have given over there two integer parameter, in the second I have given one integer parameter, and in the third method I have given one double parameter. So accordingly I have called all three methods in system dot out dot println. Now see the result. Compilation, no error, then void main. See, why I have taken the same question over here, because by using the same question you can better understand this return or the print. Okay, so what is the difference in that? You can better understand it, and please refer the notes also